Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse. And today I have one of these 36-volt batteries in the EU and 40 volts in the United States. It is messing up with me. I've just come in from the outside. I've been streaming my land here in Portugal, and right now the battery is doing this press. You can see I did a video on this last year, and that video has helped a lot of people. So we're gonna do this again, and hopefully this video is gonna reach even more people and help you guys not having to throw away this very expensive battery. It's an easy fix, so let's go see how to do it. First thing, I have the battery here again, and we can get a little bit of a close up. You can see that all the battery thingies are just blinkety blinkety, and it's not doing much. So if we take the charger here and we plug it into the charger will check it out, and it will start blinking red and green. Red and green means read the manual, and that's not going to be very helpful, and it does nothing up here. So yeah, we need to go into this battery. This battery has 4 screws right there, and those are security Torx. When I did this video last year, I had to go and purchase this thing, which I still have. So that's very lucky. So security Torx is like these things. See, there's a hole in the middle of it. That's because in the battery it has those Torx things, but then there's a little pin. Can we maybe zoom in on that? There, you see it. So if you use a normal Torx, it won't go in far enough, and you'll be, well, it's gonna be difficult. Not impossible, but very difficult. So I do not remember which size. I think it's a 10. Let's see. They have decided not to see. There's a 9, 10 and a 15. So the smallest one is a 9. So that one should be a 10. And it's a T10. So let's see if that is a 10. It goes in. It's very wobbly. I wonder if it's a 15. We'll just check the 15. It seems big. 15 is too big. It's a 10. So we unscrew the battery. So this is a 4 amp hour battery, and this battery is easily $100 here. So yeah, I really want to save it. It's from 2022, so it's a little bit, it's from summer 2022. Four screws out, open sesame. This is the battery inside. There's different battery units like this, and I have gotten comments of people that had a different battery and wasn't able to do this. But yeah, hopefully some of you will have the same battery as me, and I'll show you what to do. So this might look very complicated, but trust me, just get your oscilloscope and your I'm kidding. It's a very simple fix. This is one of those thingies that is around your bread. When you buy your bread and they lock it up, and I have removed the insulation of the ends of it because we're going to be resetting this little switch right here at the bottom of the battery. If you look at your battery, you have the connections going out that way, and down here at my thumb there is something, 2 pins called RST for reset. So we want to reset those, and so last time I short-circuited something because I wasn't really looking. I was too busy filming, So this time I'm gonna try and do better. And we are gonna take our little jig here, and we're gonna reset those two. You just put them, and they just need to touch. There. I think that's good. So let's check if we press the button here. Yeah, now it's just complaining that battery level is low. That is way better than before. So we can put this back on. I'm not gonna put the screws in yet, because that was a hassle. I'm gonna make sure that it starts charging. There. And it blinks just like it's supposed to do when it's charging. And it did that last time, or last year as well, so that is perfectly fine. So it has been charging for a little bit, and it's doing perfectly normal green, and it has it's not at the bottom level anymore. It's already like gotten quite a lot of charge in it. So I'm gonna unplug it and I'm gonna screw it together now. Put the screws back in. I'm just gonna check it again. So just to show you that the connector was down here, that's the thing that you need to reset, and then the battery will be fine again. Screws are back in. I'm gonna charge the battery up. I have more streaming to do, so, and it's continuing charging right there. So to do this little trick, first you need the Torx security torque thing and T10, and then you need something. It can be a paper clip, it can be anything metal, just to reset that, and you're good to go. So it has completed, and now when I press the button, it should show that the battery is full. It's not blinking anymore. So I can take this battery and I can continue my streaming. I did have a multimeter on here and measured some of the cells, and it seemed like perfectly good. It takes forever and ever for it to charge the last little bit, because that is where it balances the cells in here. It does that by itself, the PCB, the electronic, well, it does all that good stuff for itself. So now my battery is good to go again, and I'll put it in my streamer here. And if you just fixed your battery watching my videos, what you can do for me is to tell me in the comments that you fixed your battery. That makes me happy. So if you wouldn't mind making me happy, just tell me that you fixed your battery and we are all good. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day.